Jack McCaw would say anything to get what he wants.
Hello? She's in labor? I got a baby on the way. Thank you so much. Twins! It's twins! It's on the house? Oh, thank you so much.
But he just lied to the wrong guy.
You could have a steam train if you just lay down your track. You could have an airplane flying if you bring your blue sky back. All you do is
You and this tree are now connected.
Hello?
You talk, all the leaves fall off the tree.
What happens when a tree loses all its leaves?
I could die? What do I got, 1,000 words left?
You say we make a deal? Hello, Jack. Yeah. Good.
Venti triple shot latte. Iced latte. Extra milk?
What now?
You know you make me wanna.
Our words have a profound effect on the entire universe.